If you want to change the handle in Yahoo Mail, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're updating your email identity, correcting your information, or just cleaning up your account settings, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into the account you want to edit. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, and that's where we need to start. Click on your profile picture or initials to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, click on Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account settings, where you can control different parts of your profile and personal information. If you have not signed in recently, Yahoo may ask you to verify your password or confirm your identity, so go ahead and complete that step if it comes up. Once you're on the account management page, look for Personal Settings. This is where Yahoo stores things like your personal details, account preferences, and profile-related information. Click on Personal Settings to continue. Now you should see the section where your handle is listed. Find the handle field and click Edit next to it. This is the part people often miss, but it's the key step that lets you make the change. After clicking Edit, you can type in your updated handle or adjust the information you want to use. Take a moment to double-check what you entered before saving. It's always a good idea to make sure everything looks correct, because this handle may be tied to how your account is identified in certain Yahoo services. Once you're satisfied with the update, click Done to save your changes. After that, Yahoo should apply the update to your account settings. If needed, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in to confirm the change has gone through properly. And that's really all there is to it. You've now edited your handle in Yahoo Mail. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.